Greetings friends, tonight we are going to be reacting to the tutorial on creating a moving water reflection from IZ Gaming. I'll be commenting and my buddy Bobby will be joining us, giving his feedback as well. I just want to warn you, he kind of doesn't have a lot of nice things to say. Anyway, so we'll try to come up with an agreement on how we feel about the video. So let's get into the reaction station and check it out! Yo, what's up, bro? Alright, so here we are in the reaction station, and 8, we watching, dude. 6, 5, 4, oh, 3, Cristiano Ronaldo, no way. 1. And we got a little phone. Oh, we're using Picsart. I've used that before. Photo Leap, man. Pretty neat. I know this song. And what's up with Ronaldo? Don't you know Messi fell in love with this song last year? And so here we go. I swear if I hear this song one more time, it's not going to put me in the best mood. Some form of photograph. Ronaldo again. Oh. Okay, alright, hold on. Oh, we're going to get something from the camera. Cool. Always nice to have something original. What's up with your fish tank, got man? Like a vertical fish tank hanging on the walls. The fish are swimming like down and up. What are we doing? I've never seen anything like that. How is the water not spilling out? Okay, so here we go. We're taking a few pictures. And looks like you got some blue tetras, maybe. Look, your battery's running out. Come on now. We got some gold looking fish. Oh, Ronaldo again, man. I'm so tired of seeing that Ultraman. Oh, look, we're doing Godzilla and Ultraman. Humans controlling some robot Ultraman with a big toy. Come on now. Going through the Picsart here, and we set up a canvas. We're going to add some photos. A lot of features in Picsart. I'm going to be surprised by our photos here. I swear this song is driving me crazy. So we're dragging this photo towards why can't you turn top half of the canvas, I guess. So I guess that's what we're talking about. We're creating a reflection. So some sort of reflecting technique. Alright, change the blur. Show top and the bottom. I guess maybe we're going to make it look like this fish tank is brightness. Like above ground. Come on, pop that contrast up. Alright, bro. Alright. If you will. You don't need to do nothing with the clarity. Reflection down below. That's where I'm guessing. No, don't change saturation, bro. Saturation. I don't like messing with the saturation too much, but you'll be surprised. Up with the contrast. Drop the highlight. Alright, highlights. Yeah, there's one you can really tweak. Get your color intensity up. You're looking for. Color temperature. Let's get the black point kicked a little bit. Let's get them shadows twisted a little bit. Nope. Okay. Yeah, discard those changes. Alright. Almost looks like we've really brightened up some of the bright. That's kind of intense. Or maybe that's what's going to give us that sort of outdoorsy feel. There we go. We're going to put stickers on it or something. Alright. So now we're looking at some of the opacity effects. I mean, alright, so we're going for a sketch effect. So maybe we're going to try to make this look like a Bob Ross drawing or painting. I'm presuming something along those lines. And here we go. Alright, so we've got a duplicate. And we've reflected successfully. Okay, that's kind of a neat design just like that. That's pretty cool. Alright, so what are we going to do with it next? So now you got it, we matching one down below it. And now, okay. We're going to do some blending. Is that what it looks like? Some blending. Alright, now what? Okay. Now we're going to some photo gallery. Alright, so we're going to pull a photo out of the Picsart gallery. I'd probably adopt me too if I was making this video. Oh, what do we got there? Oh, Naruto. You got a big nose. Cool. Those are some fun. How about that Naruto? We're going to look at a water reflection. Alright, get the girl by the water. Let's see what they got in the Picsart stock room. Dream girl. Oh, that's a good one. What? Kind of generic, kind of flat. Doesn't have a whole lot of detail. Just looks like water. I get what you're going for there. Alright, so we're gonna distort it and like stretch it out a little bit. Okay.
It looks like a flattened out beach towel.
So we're stretching that out. Trying to get a position. Like grunge.
Well, that's something different.
Pull that thing out a little bit.
It looked like he's outside and he's making
I almost
water.
look pretty neat just like that, but I guess you want to drop the opacity just a little bit.
I thought those were fish. They look like
create
birds.
the full effect. I'd almost wonder if you might put that in the sketch filter just to kind of
enhance. He's dropping the opacity
to make it match the top.
He
but however, like the opacity drop does kind of bring that effect in pretty good. All right, so good work there, mate. Maybe it's interesting to do a little something at the top. Looks a little still at the top. Maybe it's just still time of day. It's hard one to achieve, you know, no wind, none of that. All right, what are we doing here?
What are you doing there?
Trying out some
you put like cosmic orb on it.
Okay. All right.
Wait,
so
I don't
we got a nice. I kind of like the reflection we got right there. That's pretty nice little piece. Look like it could be hotel art.
Now we're gonna get a magazine.
All right.
Only magazine you need to be reading WWE Raw.
I've just got to look, see what's there, right? Alright, so we're rotating a little bit. Interesting.
I'm about to take another sip of tea.
Level of movement. Okay, good crop. If you're going to rotate, you got to crop. That's always important.
It was perfectly good the way it was.
Like your fish almost look like birds. Alright, what are we doing there? What's up with the volume thing? Huh.
Oh, man.
Okay.
Give me a headache.
I guess we're trying to make it look like we're taking a screenshot on my phone. Maybe you're going for something conceptual here. I'm not quite sure. And now we're going for the magic trick. What we got for the magic trick? Yeah, we've got like a random letter number combination.
What you doing, man?
Alright.
You just smushed it.
Making a mask and an effect. VYC2. I feel like I'm taking a vision test.
Music drives me crazy.
That is good. Got the color changing a little bit. A little blue if you ask me. Alright. So what's going to happen? I saw a few different things happen there.
You don't even have the full version.
Do you want to continue the 7-day free trial?
And you're going to make some gift magic.
Maybe not. And now we're
going to have a celebrity like Jennifer Aniston or Joey Fatone.
We are making this for our friend who
How are you going to make gift magic without a celebrity? At least a meme.
Underwater, overground scene. Trick.
Okay. Who are you going to send that
kind of blipping and moving.
You're send that to your great
I'd say that is a unique work of art right there. Alright, and
put it in my inbox.
Cool. So
we've
got a little GIF with our blipping volume. And now we're going to share maybe in WhatsApp. Our photo gallery.
He's like, no, maybe
we're going to open Facebook. Maybe Skype it to a friend.
Email it to somebody.
Man,
I don't even know what I was looking at.
Well,
alright, well, thanks for having me.
That's
Y'all
it.
Have a good one.
Alright, well, we got to see the work of art. I saw some interesting things happening there. Hope you all enjoyed tonight's reaction, and don't mind Bobby there. Little wild man. Alright, peace and love.